National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Albany County and east central New York, west central Rensselaer County and east central New York, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Voorheesville, or 7 miles west of Delmer, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarters. Voorheesville, Green Island, Waterford, Altamont, Loudonville, West Ham Lake, Wyattskill, Averill Park, and Furbush. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Albany, and Rensselaer.